Welcome! In this video I will show you how to schedule and share hundreds of posts at the same time. Let's get started. First, you will have to create a CSV file in a proper format with the information for your posts. We will use Google Sheets for this purpose. Download the bulk template and follow the indicated structure to build the columns. That is, text, year, month, day, hour stated from 0 to 23 minutes, image URL and link. Now, fill them. Write the caption on the first column, then state the posting date and times. On image URL you can optionally add media. If you do not want to, just leave the column empty, and do as so for the link one. In other words, a text post would look like this. An image post should look like this. And a link post with a caption must appear like this. When you are done, save the document and upload it to the app. Select the profile. You can import it directly from Google Drive or drag it from your computer, Dropbox, or OneDrive. Leave the URL shortener empty, and on interval per post, type 5. Finally, click on Submit to Schedule. Don't forget to visit our tutorials section to find more information about our tools and how to make the most out of them.